Hello, my name is Marcela Alejandra Núñez Aristizabal. I was born in Bucaramanga, Santander. I'm proudly Colombian. I was born in July 22, so I am 20 years old. I am an editor in an important magazine in Colombia. It is called Caras. I speak Spanish and English a little bit. Besides, I am good. I like to help other people than to have the same possibilities that I have. That's the best feeling ever. In contrast, there are things that I do like. First, I don't like to bring wallpaper to home, and I don't like to do it one day before I have to say it. I am friendly, responsibility, and honest. Some studies say that the low consumption of fruits and vegetables is because they are more expensive than other food, and also because people do like them. Speaking out of fruit, vegetables, and fiber in general increases the risk of heart disease and diabetes, as well of playing havoc with the digestive system, and also it can make you feel there and destabilize your spine pattern.